me, but the nanny lied though. The nanny lied. Golden didn't trip my baby, so I don't know if they thought they was gonna try to extort me or some shit, or I don't know what the fuck or whatever. But Golden didn't trip my baby. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't believe that Golden tripped my baby at the time. I just didn't know who to believe. But Golden didn't trip my baby. She is actually a good mom. I'm not gonna lie. I never got a hint of abuse towards my children from Golden at all. So I don't know why the fuck that bitch said she tripped my baby, but she said that. And I just did what I had to do as a father. Period. Okay, that's for one. Then for two, okay, she said she called my bodyguard to check on me along with the nanny and her peoples, because that's all we knew out here. And that's what all three of them was doing at here. And then they went back. And I guess the nigga was trying to tell her I need to detox because I got drugs in my system. But here's where the shit gets sketchy for me. You feel me? Here's where the story gets sketchy for me. She's saying that my bodyguard saying that I was telling him to come do shrooms with me. And that's not true. That's not true. Because like I said, you know what I'm saying? I didn't even know that bitch gave me shrooms. And I never told that bitch to bring mushrooms to my house the first time. I told her to bring them the second time. So how the fuck is my bodyguard telling Golden that I was telling him to come do shrooms with me when goddamn I didn't tell that bitch to give me no goddamn shrooms? I didn't tell that bitch to give me no goddamn mushroom tea. If I would have knew that bitch gave me goddamn mushrooms at that time, I wouldn't have been tripping like that. I would have at least knew, okay, I'm high as fuck off shrooms. And then I'm like, nigga, why you didn't say that in the police report? Why you didn't say that in the police report? Why you didn't say that? Why you didn't say my client is accusing me of this, that, and the third because, or my boss is accusing me, and is accusing me of this, that, and the third because he was high on shrooms and this, that, and the third. Why you didn't say that? Why did you write my police report up and say I was a rapper who I'm accusing you of fucking with my girl and touching my jewelry and put money on your head? Why you didn't tell the whole story? Why didn't you say my boss told me he felt that he was drugged and I abandoned him on the spot, and then the next day I popped up at his baby. I'm at his baby mom house, and he's asking me what the fuck I'm doing over there, and I'm and this, that, and the third, and I told him I was checking on him, and he told me why the fuck you didn't check on me on the spot, but you at my baby mom house. Nobody told me that. But she did tell me she called him, but nobody told me that. And then I'm like, you didn't tell me why you was at. You talking about you checking on me. Talking about you planning how I'm going to get well. What are you talking about? You planning how I'm going to get well. You sitting here telling that woman that you basically trying to paint this picture like I'm crazy to my baby moms, and I'm not crazy. And then talking about I'm accusing you of taking my jewelry because, motherfucker, when you came in my house after you left, my goddamn jewelry was gone. After you came in my motherfucking house without no permission. The fuck? 2 strikes. And what are you trying to check on me to even if Golden say she called him? Okay, Golden called him. So she said. She said she called him. I ain't got nothing to do. I can't do nothing but take her word on it. Right? And I believe she might have called him. Because that's what the fuck he was there for. But even if she called him, why the fuck did she have to call you to check on me? Nigga, why you didn't check on me on the spot? When I told you. Because before Golden called him, I called him. Before Golden called my bodyguard, which was the next day, I called him that night and told him I feel like I've been drugged. So how the fuck you not trying to check on me on the spot when I'm telling you I feel like I'm drugged, but when my baby mom called you, now all of a sudden you got a plan. Now all of a sudden you got a plan and you know what to do, and I need to detox, and I was calling him over there to do shrooms. Why the fuck would you tell my baby mom Why the fuck would you tell my baby mom that I was calling you to my house to do shrooms? I never called you to my house to do shrooms. And I don't even feel like it was shrooms. I honestly feel like it was ayahuasca. I feel like he gave me ayahuasca or something. I don't even feel like it was shrooms. And the reason I say that is because this motherfucker kept trying to get me to take ayahuasca. He kept trying to get me to take it. Talking about coming to Miami and take some ayahuasca. This nigga repeatedly kept trying to get me to take ayahuasca. So I feel like, nigga, what might not even be shrooms. It might have been ayahuasca, but either way it go, the bitch gave me some shit and didn't tell me she gave it to me. That's true. Now the question is, why is he telling my baby mom that I was telling him to come over there and do shrooms? When I didn't even tell this bitch to bring shrooms until after the first time she left and came back. So if y'all want to know the story, here's the story, and I'm going to end the live right here. The bitch drugged me. I was tripping for some days, as y'all all seen on the internet. But I kept posting myself on the internet because I'm like, I don't give a fuck how crazy I look. I'm standing in the public eye. Bow. Now, a couple days go by, all this shit that happened. This bitch didn't shapeshift. I done had episodes in my backyard by the pool, whatever. I called my bodyguard. As y'all can all see on camera, this motherfucker refused to come in my house and check on me. Boom. Then my bodyguard leave. Then the next day, Jocelyn telling me she want to go to Verizon to turn her phone on. So we take the bitch to Verizon to turn her phone on. Now, whatchamacallit? When I take the bitch to Verizon to turn her phone on, that's when I realized my bodyguard has been to my house and he's now at Golden House. So I'm cursing this motherfucker out on the phone. No disrespect, you know what I'm saying? I didn't mean it literally. I'm just telling niggas, suck my dick. Nigga, what the fuck was you doing at my baby mama house, you bitch ass nigga? Because I didn't realize, I am trying to figure out the fuck you were doing over.
Pharaoh. All this, they need to give me my car paid off. They need to give me my truck. They need to give me my house. They need to give me this. They need to give me my SBA loan. They need to do this. Look, they not. I'm the first one here to tell you that they not going to do that. They not finna give you none of that. Yeah, they not even a little bit of any of the ones that you said that they need to do. Okay, not even a third of one of them that you said that they gonna do. Yeah, I'm sorry, they just not. Now if if you depending on this and relying on all this, they need to do this and they need to do that and this, I'm here to tell you need to come up with a plan B, buddy. Yeah, you really do, because you gonna fuck around with that mentality and be homeless for real up in a shelter up there in Texas, nigga. Okay, with that mentality, come on now, snap out of it. I'm here to tell you, snap out of it. All this motherfucking, they illegally did this and that, nigga. I'm convinced now that the motherfucking law that's in your motherfucking head ain't the United States law at all. Okay, it must be the motherfucking ATEN law that you done made up in your own motherfucking head. Okay, look, that's not gonna get you nowhere. Snap the fuck out of it. Okay, and if this is your best thinking to get out of paying your house, get out of paying bills, to get out of paying your fucking car, to get out of to just get some money in your pocket, period, nigga, you need to just go on and go fill out an application to go get a job, because you're not getting it. You're not. You just not gonna get it. This is not. Yeah, I'm saying. I'm sorry to bust your bubble, but yeah, I'm here to tell you that you are not getting any of them things. Okay, and they don't give a fuck what you say they need to get. Okay, or do or let you have. And that's not how the world works. Sorry. Yeah, maybe your world in your motherfucking head. But I'm here to tell you that in the world in your motherfucking head is alienated. Yeah, and it's not the real motherfucking world, okay? So just so you can save your motherfucking self some trouble, yeah, and not be out here looking even more motherfucking stupid, you need to come up with a plan, buddy. Because that right there, yeah, that ain't gonna get you no motherfucking where, yeah, at all. Not even that motherfucking invention that's worth $1 million a month. Yeah, that's not finna get you out of these charges, nigga. That's not finna get you out of paying anything that responsible adult has to pay, okay? No one told your happy-go-lucky broke ass to go down there and pick the first car you saw without doing any fucking research on it, okay? No one told you to go look at a house and say, yep, that's it, without doing any research on the fucking house, okay? Yeah, if that was the case, everybody would be doing just like you say they need to do. Yeah, it's illegal that they did. Nah, it ain't illegal what they did, nigga, because in your head, if your best thinking, nigga, in court, your best defense in court is, yeah, I want to take this to trial, yeah, because I want to see them text messages, yeah, and well, why they didn't put that in the statement, why didn't Heru put that in the statement and say that, yeah, I was drugged, why he leave that part out, in your head, you think if he put you as drugged, then maybe they will have some sympathy on your ass, and that's your excuse for doing what the fuck you did to get the charges in the front. Nah, I'm here to tell you, motherfucker, that nah. Okay, you don't know the law at all if you think you can get out of some shit saying this motherfucking bullshit. So all this illegal, they illegally did this, nah, nigga, they didn't illegally do shit, okay? They legally doing everything, and you gonna see what legal is if your ass go in court with this motherfucking defense, okay? Yeah, that's no excuse for what the fuck you did, okay? Are you talking to your motherfucking public defender? What evidence do you have to get your ass up out of this, okay? What is your defense? They do not. If you plan on going on the stand on trial, no, I'm telling you, please don't get on the stand. You do not want to get on the stand at all, okay? Listen, you are not the fucking smartest man in the world, and do not think you are and get your ass on that stand, okay? That's out of love. Like, I can't stand your ass, but I'm sure finna tell your ass that one right there. Yeah, don't do it. That's some valuable fucking priceless information that's worth more than gold to you right about now while you in this shit. Yeah, so don't do that to yourself, motherfucker. And listen, okay, you might as well go on and just say that, take whatever they gonna give you, a plea or whatever, because shit, the way you talking out here, nigga, your ass is finna get your ass in more motherfucking trouble if you open up your mouth. Yeah, the attorney not calling you, telling you to shut the fuck up. I mean, like, are you even communicating with your public defender, or are you coming up with these stupid ass excuses and defenses for what the fuck you got yourself into? No, if you sitting here talking about a motherfucker need to give you your gun license and your homie's gun license and clear his record, not only yours, and you believe this shit and you actually think that's what they should do, yeah, don't think nothing about the case that's these charges. That no, you don't need to tell nothing about no defense. Let that public defender do what he do, okay? Because so far you fucking it up for yourself, nigga. You fucking it up for yourself. And now all of a sudden you wasn't drugged with ecstasy, so today is different. You wasn't drugged with ecstasy no more. You not, no, it's not that. So now it's back to the mushrooms. So now it's back to the mushrooms, and you think it was ayahuasca. So ecstasy is out the picture now, right? Ecstasy is out the picture. I mean, like, what the fuck? What now is back to your bodyguard drugging you and gave you ayahuasca? I mean, like, are you? And then you even admit that you told her to. Oh, I told her to bring it the second time, not the first time. Well, damn, I thought you said you didn't tell her to bring it at all and didn't know that it was in the house. Huh? So you told her not to bring it the first time, like, if that's okay, but you told her to bring it the second time. Now, that's a new to everybody. No one caught that. I mean, so you told her to bring it the second time. I mean, like, what the fuck are you talking about? Listen, like I say, do not, my God, this damn boy. Listen, okay? Even if Heru went over to Golden House to suck her motherfucking titties, okay? Yeah, even if she did that, nigga. Even if he did that, that still ain't give you no right. Wasn't your woman. You think that's gonna get you out this shit? He could go over there and do whatever the fuck he wanna do. What the fuck? You know what I'm saying? Don't say, oh, because I thought he this and that, and that's the reason why I told him he this and that and all this. Nah, nigga, you need that. That you ain't getting up out of this shit, okay? At all, all right? Yeah, you might as well go on and see what deal you can work out. Because so far, nigga, you digging a deeper hole for your motherfucking self, yeah. And listen, I'm here to also tell you that, listen, so far, you not the smartest man in the world at all, okay? And whatever you got, invention that you made or whatever that is worth $1 billion, I'm here to tell you that it's not worth $1 billion. I'm sorry. It's not worth $1 billion. You're not the smartest man in the world. Sorry. You don't have an invention that's worth $1 billion at all. It's not even worth $10,000, whatever the fuck is in your head. It's not even worth 10,000. You ain't even passed shit out. You talking about you been working on this different shit for all this time. You got these businesses, and you worth $1 billion. Well, motherfucker who worth $1 billion or has something that's worth $1 billion, don't act like you. Yeah, they not getting a dusty, dirty dreadlock head ass up on YouTube every day sounding like they motherfucking high off rocks, okay? And then keep talking about they was drugged and using that excuse as to why the fuck they acting a goddamn fool now, okay? Yeah, no, anybody who worth $1 billion or have something worth $1 billion, yeah, they gonna be focused on getting that shit out. Yeah, they not gonna just say it casually like, yeah, I got this thing that's worth, I got this invention, it's worth $1 billion a month. Yeah, no, they gonna be focusing in on that. And they gonna try to push that shit out there the best way that they can. They not finna be on here playing no video games and record. They not finna keep getting on here talking about my bodyguard still with my baby mama, and yeah, I was drugged because I think it was ayahuasca. No, I think it was ecstasy. No, I think it was the shrooms. No, I think it was this. Ain't nobody finna be with no invention worth $1 billion saying no dumbass shit like that, okay? Yeah, not at all. A person with an invention that's worth $1 billion would not sound as illiterate and stupid as you. First of all, yeah, they wouldn't at all. Yeah, they would be like they would be so motherfucking special. They would just be so motherfucking smart. You know what I mean? Like you wouldn't even be able to see them at all. Yeah, they wouldn't even be getting on here doing this shit, calling their baby mama bitch. Anybody with a mind frame who can invent something that's worth $1 billion, trust me, they mind is worth $1 billion too, because that's what the fuck they thought of. Okay, yeah, your mind ain't worth no motherfucking $1 billion, because whatever invention you said that's worth $1 billion, yeah, it had to be a thought in your mind, because that's where it starts from, right? Yeah, so the invention start in your head, right? Yeah, so you telling me your mind is worth no. I'm here to tell you that it's not. I guarantee it without any doubt in my motherfucking mind. Okay, I can even bet your ass $2 million, and I ain't even got that motherfucker, but I'm that motherfucking sure whatever the fuck you talking about ain't worth no $1 million, and you ain't got nothing, no invention in mind any motherfucking way. I don't know, maybe you thinking of somebody else's shit and trying to add a little something to it, that your own little whatever you say need to be added to somebody else's shit, but it ain't no whole, just something you done thought of, and all you getting on here saying is, yeah, I'm worth $1 billion because of this, I gotta work for $1 billion. No, we're not falling for that, Pharaoh. We not at all. A person that has an invention worth $1 billion ain't gonna go shoot up their baby mama house, okay? A person who motherfucking has an invention worth $1 billion a month, okay, is not gonna get on here talking about he need an SBA loan, they need to give me my car, they need to give me this because they illegally did that, they illegally did this, I need to keep my house. Yeah, no, they not gonna be getting on here. No. They mind, they focus, everything, energy, all that will be focused on that $1 billion a month invention that they got. Yeah, they wouldn't be thinking about a motherfucking thing else. Yeah, no, the shit you coming up in your head as far as to make some money and to try to get out of paying these bills that every adult gotta pay if they purchase something, nigga. Nobody told your ass to go down there and purchase that shit. Yeah, you gotta pay it. Don't get something that you can't afford, nigga. That's what you learn. You can't get, that's why you talking about, you ain't even got no motherfucking, probably credit is probably fucked all up too. And you talking about you got an invention worth $1 billion. Nigga, if you don't get your stupid ass up out of here, I'm here to tell you, you don't, okay, at all. I promise it. And that ain't even a ledge, okay? That's for sure. And I can even probably put my damn life on that. That shit ain't shit, okay? Because your ass will be putting all your time and effort into that shit. Yeah, you definitely would. And you would not have had time to go and shoot up no motherfucking body house. You wouldn't have time to think about what your ex-bodyguard did with your baby mama. You wouldn't have time to keep thinking about how you gonna get off these charges you put yourself into. Yeah, you wouldn't have time to be sitting up there talking about who did something illegally to you that they didn't do and thinking that in your head and saying what they need to do and everything gonna be okay and they can get out down. A person with $1 billion mind don't think like a motherfucker with $1 mind. All right, and I'm gonna leave your ass with that.